Ah, yes, coffee. I love it. I love it. So welcome to Kipper's Place. Today I'm going to make a short video on how to apply ceramic coating to your motorcycle. Anybody can do it. You don't have to be a professional. Super easy. So please like and subscribe to the channel. If you like what you see, it only supports me and being able to put out more content. And I love doing what I do, so come with me. So here I am at the back of the bike. We're gonna work in little 2 foot by 2 foot sections. This isn't quite by 2 feet by 2 feet, but close enough. I'm gonna wipe down any excess polishes I had left over with isopropyl alcohol, 90%, just to remove from polishing. And that's a whole other video I'm gonna show you guys in the future. If you subscribe, you'll be able to see that when it comes up. So yeah, just wiping off that excess. And we're gonna apply the cquartz ceramic coating made by CarPro. There's a 3.0 version out now that works just as well. This works good too. You can find it on Amazon. I'm just gonna apply a little bit here, just a little tiny bit. You don't wanna put a lot on, because then it's gonna make it harder for leveling. So we're gonna go ahead and go side to side, and then we'll go up and down just to get a nice even coating. Just want to make sure it's even and thin. And then we're going to wipe it off. This panel's got a little bit of heat on it. Not a lot of heat. It was kind of a chilly day, so the sun wasn't too much of an issue. And you just wipe it off. We're going to go ahead and do this again on the tank here of the bike, using 91% isopropyl alcohol, wiping down any excess polishes that were on there from any swirl marks that were potentially on there. That's another video, like I said. And then applying the cquartz ceramic coating, and again, thinly on the cotton rag there with the applicator pad. We're going to go up and down, side to side, making it nice and even. And I'm not pressing hard at all. You don't want to press too hard. Just gently applying it in a crosshatch pattern. And I'm not going to let it sit for too long on there, because the bike is kind of warm from the sun. Not too bad though, because it was a cool day. I'm just gonna go ahead and buff it off. And yeah, sitting in the sun like this will let it set in really nicely. You can let it sit out pretty much all day, and then go ahead and put it back in the garage or take it for a ride.